Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another video on my channel. So today I have a brand new Lightroom preset pack out on my Selfie shop, and with also a 20% discount until this Sunday. Just click the link in the description and it will take you to my shop, my Selfie shop, and the preset pack. So the pack contains 37 presets. Let's take a look in Lightroom. Okay, here we have all the presets that comes with the Travel the World pack. We have 10 different California presets, 11 different Hawaii presets, 12 different Norway presets, and also 4 bonus retro portrait presets. So let's take a look at this image first, and let's add on a Norway preset to it. Let's go for this preset for this image, and I want to take the exposure down a bit. And I think, yeah, I think that's a nice tone. Let's go for the next one. Let's add on a Hawaii one for this one. Let's go for Hawaii 1.2. Looks nice. Want to maybe bring down a bit the exposure and up with the blacks a bit. Yeah, I think that's a nice result. Here's before and here's after. Let's take a look at this one, and let's add on a California preset. Maybe this one, or we can go for, yeah, let's go for this one. Gives a nice result, just right straight away actually. And to this image, let's add on a, we can first take a look at the Norway preset, for example, Norway 1.5. We can go with Hawaii 1.6, take down exposure a bit, that's better. And we can also take a look at some of the retro 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, and here's 1.3. So with a nice retro vibe. On this photo, let's add on a California preset, for example. So let's go for this one. I want to take off the exposure a bit, so we get the nice sun flare. For this picture, let's go for a Hawaii preset. Let's go for this one maybe, or yeah, this one. Yeah, it looks nice. And finally, we have this picture. Let's go for Norway presets. We can take a look at a couple of them. It's 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1.9.2. So I think I'll go for the 1.3 for this one. And it also contains some black and white filters, like the Travel the World California black and white. And we have Travel the World Hawaii black and white. We have Travel the World Norway black and white. This one in black and white. Let's add on the California black and white, Hawaii black and white, Norway black and white, Norway black and white, Hawaii black and white, and California black and white. So that's basically the whole preset pack right there. I hope you guys enjoy the pack. And if you do, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, like the pack on Selfie, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. But until then, peace!